Hi everyone. If you're planning your next trip and want to ensure everything goes smoothly, travel insurance is a must-have. Today, I'll show you exactly how to buy travel insurance online using the simple and effective service, Travelinsurance.com. This website allows you to compare multiple insurance plans side by side, so you can find the one that suits your needs perfectly. On the homepage, you'll see a form to enter your travel details, destination, dates, and personal info. It's super easy and takes just a few clicks. The biggest advantage of using Travelinsurance.com is that it pulls up a range of different providers, so you can easily compare the cost, coverage, and features of each plan. One thing to keep in mind is that Travelinsurance.com offers both comprehensive plans and more affordable options. You can customize your policy depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for emergency medical coverage, trip cancellation protection, or baggage insurance, it's all here. Now, let's take a look at some of the pros of this service. It saves you time by comparing plans in one place. It's quick and user-friendly, and the prices are competitive. On the downside, depending on your situation, you may find that some plans don't cover certain niche travel needs, so be sure to review the fine print carefully. Another reliable option I recommend is Ecta Traveling. This service also offers competitive and flexible plans for all kinds of travelers. To explore what Ecta Traveling can offer and find the best deal for your trip, check the link in the description. The cost of travel insurance can vary depending on the length of your trip, your destination, and what level of coverage you choose. But overall, investing in travel insurance is a smart decision to safeguard your vacation and avoid unexpected expenses. Now that we reviewed the steps and features, you're ready to make your choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful travel tips.